What is up, internet? Welcome back to Milehighkei, America's saddest K-car channel. So, as you can see behind me, here's the Suzuki Carry, and let's talk about it. So I bought this truck from Dan the Tiny Truck Man out in Paonia, Colorado, about 3, maybe 4 years ago. And at the time, I had a studio that I made art out of. I was able to store the truck there, work on it, and probably made the videos that you saw that brought you to this channel there. I don't have that anymore, and I haven't had a studio for a very long time. And as you've seen at my house, the garage is always full with the van, the Datsun, all my other stuff. So I just don't have any space to work on it. So it has lived here for the past several years. I do realize that this little truck has brought the most views to those videos while I was working on it. They're probably my most popular videos on the channel, but I think it's just come to the point where I just need to take the L and get rid of it. So what I plan to do is to scrap it. And I don't mean just bringing it to the junkyard and just calling it a day. I'm going to start to remove everything that I think is valuable and then just junking the rest, because I've already gotten rid of the bed. It was in my friend's backyard and he was moving to Oregon, so I needed to get it out. And then when I brought it to the storage unit to put it in here, the gate was closed, so I just brought it to the scrapyard anyways. I'm going to just start taking off all the things that I think someone would find useful. These doors are in really good shape. The glass is still in them. The rear glass is still good. The windshield is still good. So I'm gonna try to use a Sawzall and just cut out what I need. And everything else, like the rear rack, I'm gonna try to take off as cleanly as I can. It's only held on with a couple bolts anyways. And this rear end, yeah, that's salvage steel anyways. So that will be going back to its home. Since it's at the storage unit, I don't want to really use the grinder unless I absolutely have to. So I'm gonna use the Sawzall. But before I start cutting into it, I'm going to start to clean out in front of it and try to just gain access to it. Then I will take the doors off and then the windshield wipers, the rear rack, and then we'll go from there and see if we can't cut the windshield out. So let's get to it. All right, both of the doors are off. So this side was a little easier because this pin was just a little 10mm bolt that I needed to come out. But what took me so long is that this one was held on with some like weird wedge fit pin, and I just don't have the right tools to get it out. So I ended up cutting off the end with the Sawzall and then prying it up so I can like fish it out. But both the doors are off. The glass is still good, and now we can focus on the rack in the back. All right, now I'm just at the point where I'm gonna try and cut the windshield out. So kind of scary, but what I think I'm gonna do is try to cut through the thinnest spot, which is right behind this beam. So a little bit back up here, and then just cut right through here. And then I think right below the windshield right here, where it's thinnest right here, just all the way along, is going to be the best shot. I am worried about cutting right here will crack the windshield, but you kind of got to send it and try to make something happen. Well, there it is, a Suzuki Carry Roadster. Got the windshield cut out. I only have these small, I think they're 3 amp hour batteries for my Sawzall. So this is the second battery and I don't really have a place to charge them. So I'm kind of running out of time for today, but big things. Got the doors off, the roll bar, and the windshield. So this is kind of my keep pile, and then this is my throwaway pile. But yeah, got a bunch more to do, but we're gonna take care of it bit by bit because I only brought the Beat today. When I'm actually running to the metal recycling facility, I'll bring the Datsun, but I just wanted to get a little bit of a jump start, and I think we did a pretty good job. All right, so I just decided to cut the roof off. Figured while I'm here, I might as well do it and just see how far the batteries can get me. So now I'm gonna try to remove the rear windshield, and I think just one cut right across there is gonna do it. I took out the seat belts because the seat belts are still good, and I don't know, someone might want them. So yeah, just gonna go whoop, and hopefully my Sawzall still has battery. Let's get it. Whoops. Yeah. This was a K car too.
Mind if I pop out and take a look?
Yeah, sure. All right, internet. So we made some good progress today. It may not look like it, but now we have the windshield, the roll bar, both doors, and the rear window all cut out, ready to go. And then now I have better access for all the other little things that might be useful to someone. I think I'm going to remove all of the suspension components, so then I can just pick up what's left of the truck, put it into the Datsun, and take it to the scrapyard. But yeah, some good little bits that hopefully someone will want to buy, because I want to make better use of my storage unit, and getting this kind of out of my life and then moving on to the next thing and finishing all the other projects that I have is the game plan from here. But yeah, thanks for watching me cut apart this K car. It's kind of sad. I didn't really want to do it, but sometimes you just gotta move on. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember, keep it small.